Dear Jasmine, dear Jasmine, dear Jasmine, I wonder if this love is everlasting. I promise not to treat you like your last one.
Hi babes, hi boo-boos, hi darlings, hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's hair is from Myfirstwig. I have been working with this company for a while now, and I know that their hair is like top notch. I've never had any issues with any of their wigs. It always comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, lovely, silky, lace is nice, hair is nice, like absolutely nothing. Okay, they are definitely part of like my top, should I say my top 10 or my top 5? My top 5 brands that I really love, and I love the quality of their wigs, and it's also really affordable. So I'm gonna show you the hair that they sent me today, and like I said, it is from Myfirstwig. The box is always nice. Everything about this brand is just really nice, and I really love them. They sent me one of their wigs. This is their, let me read it to you. This is their Dainty Secrets wig. Okay, it's a Malaysian hair short water wave lace front, and it is 14 inches. The hair texture is silky, and it is 100% Malaysian human hair, and it's 130% density, and it's perfect for beginners because you really don't have to do much to it. I am gonna glue it, but you can definitely wear this glueless if you want. And what else? That's about it. That's literally it. Let me just show you. I had to read that for you guys quickly because I never know the details of the hair, but I wanted to keep you guys informed. So this is what the box looks like when you first open it. The wig is in there, but it also comes with a few goodies. Let me show you. So first, it comes with an edge band. They always add an edge band. If I can open this. Lovely. As you can see, their names on there. Comes with these hair clips, 2 of them, as well as a comb. And I feel like they gave me, oh yes, so in the bag you would find the wig cup. They always add a wig cup to it. Now let me show you the hair. Oh, I think, what is this? Oh, there's a little card with all the details about the hair on there. So everything I just listed to you on there, you can see the 14 inches, the color, the cap size, etc on there. And let me show you the hair. Yeah, definitely cute. And I love their lace. I love their lace so much because it's so freaking soft. Like I've top, definitely my top 5. I just love the way, and the hair always comes pre-bleached. Always. Look at this plucking. Like, how natural does this freaking look? I love their hair. I love their hair so much, and this is not because the video is sponsored, I promise you, but like some companies send you trashy hair. I'm not even going to lie to you. Like the hair itself might be good, but the lace, the texture, off completely. But Myfirstwig, not even once have I had an issue with that. Their lace has always been soft. Their wig always pre-blocked, always pre-bleached. That you can count on them for that, for 100%. No doubt about it. And this is what the inside of the wig looks like. So cute. I think one thing that I don't like though is how short this part is. It doesn't even go far, and like you really have just this middle part to work with for pattern, and even the side part, like you can't really go further down because it just ends like right here. That might be my issue with the brand, but other than that, everything else I love. It also comes with a band in here, so you can adjust it to your, your head size. If it's too loose, you can tighten it. I'm gonna throw this on so we can see what we are working with today. I don't think I'm supposed to curl this hair. I think this is just how it's supposed to be. You just comb it out. I think so. But let's try it. Don't laugh at my head. Don't laugh at my head. You see what I mean? Like, look at the plucking. I don't even pluck this good by myself. I don't. But it's always plucked. And look how natural that looks. I'm excited. I'm just excited. You can use this wig straight out of the box. Like, if you like the way everything looks, you just literally have to cut the lace. And if you want to glue it, glue it. If not, you can keep it glueless. I think I'm going to do glueless today. See how that looks. Recently, I've been loving glueless because it's as easy as just popping it on. Out you go. Well, what's glue? What's that? We don't know what that is, okay? Put it on, step out. That's it. You don't even have to really style it. You don't even need edges, to be honest, because of the way it has been plucked. But let's cut the lace and then see how that turns out. Is it right? Hold on. Let me make sure this is proportioned. I'm going to be using Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation for the lace, to tint the lace a bit. And this is in the shade Audi F15 level 15. I always use this, and I use the darkest one, this one, to do that because this one is a little too light for my skin. You can see this is more. Let me come forward a bit. This is not come too far. Yeah, this is definitely my shade, so I'm gonna be using that. Let's take my brush, dip in there. Okay, I'm also going to use my zigzag scissors to cut the lace. I don't like cutting my lace with like a straight scissors because it's going to just be like a line. This works better. Okay, since I got this, I have not done it any other way. So we're just going to either this or I use my facial blade to cut it. But because this is not already on my head, I'm just going to use my zigzag scissors to cut it. Showing you guys. The lace is so soft. I know you can't tell on camera, but feeling this lace, it is absolutely soft. Really, really soft, and I love that. That means it's really gonna melt if you glue it. But like I said, you can wear this glueless if you want. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks glueless for sure. You got it. Yeah, as you can see, it's zigzag. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's zigzagged. Just gonna throw it on. You see? I know you see that. Hold on. I am not gluing this. I am not gluing this. I am not gluing this. Can you see? I don't need to glue this. I just need to adjust it so it looks better, but I do not need to glue this, and I am not gluing it. Yes, I needed to cut it so it would fit behind my ear. I don't even think I need this little tab right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this part too, because the lace is on my ear and I don't love that. So I'm just gonna cut it. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I think I'm gonna, like, you can see the lace is just sitting on there, and I think it blends pretty well with my skin. So there's really no need for me to glue this. I don't think I'm gonna glue it. I think I'm gonna leave it and then style it. See what it looks like if I tuck it behind my ear. Okay, I like it better that way. Yeah. Oh. Yes, I like it better this way. I'm just gonna slick this part down a bit so the line goes a little deeper. Curve it a bit. just gonna fix the line with this. What shade, what color is this? This is black, and I'm gonna use it. This is a roost touch up because I feel like the parting is too wide and it's too like, it's a little over bleached. Over bleached is good. Over bleached is better than not bleached at all. So I'm just gonna use this to kind of like hide the imperfections a bit. Okay, gonna brush this to see how it looks. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush this and see what it is giving. Oh, the hair is so soft. Ooh, it's looking a little dull. I'm just gonna spray this, give it some shine. I think we're good. Just gonna fix this, maybe pull this to the front a bit. We're done. That's it. This is it. No glue, no edges, nothing. Straight out of the box. I just brushed it, as you can see. You saw that already. That's it. That's all we did. We didn't do anything extra. Done. Listen, lately the way I've been loving glueless wigs, okay, if I could just throw it on and step out, that's what I'm looking for, okay? And this is the finished product. I'm gonna come closer. You can see the lace here, but look at how it melts with my skin. Like, look at it. Look at it. Let me show you this side. That's it. Look at it. That's 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 it. And we're good to go. That's it. How easy was this tutorial? Please, please, please. How easy was it? Okay, because I didn't even have to do anything to the hair itself. Like, I could go in and probably curl it a bit, but I like the way it looks, like messy, like I wasn't trying, like I just woke up and I am stepping out this way. Yeah. Let me just show you. Let me show you. I want to say a big thank you to Myfirstwig again for sending me this hair. We love it. We love it. We love the lace. We love the texture. We love so many things about this hair. I guess the only con would be, like I said, the lace itself. It doesn't really give me much room on this side, so the parting has to be like either here, and you have literally, you just have this part. If you want, you can't go any further. That might be the con, but even that, I think it turned out nice. Like the way I managed to like finesse it and to get it this way, you can work with it. You can work with it, okay? So thank you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this hair, and thank you guys for watching the video all the way to the end. Let me know what you think about this wig. Would this be something that you would try? Do you like glueless? What? Okay. Do you like glueless, or you prefer your wig to be glued? Because glueless is it. It definitely is it, okay? Because who has time to be gluing wigs anymore? Who has time? Who has time? Like, you might be in a hurry and you just need to throw something on. Glueless. That's it. Anyway, I'm gonna head off, but thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys on another video. Another video. Love you. Bye.